Looking for the best cash boxes? In this video we look at some of the top 3 best cash boxes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Jssmst, large cash box with lock. Pros: locks. Has firm hinged clips to secure bills in compartments. Coinage lifts automatically when the box is opened. Heavy metal construction. Comes with 2 keys. Clamps make this cash box good for outdoor use. Plenty of room but not too large. Cons: the springs holding the bills can be a little more firm than practical. Bottom line: a sturdy money box that allows you enough compartments to keep several denominations of bills and change organized. At number 2. SentrySafe, locking cash box with money tray. Pros: has 2 areas for larger bills and checks. Includes 6 compartments for keeping change organized. Locks. Money tray removable. 2 keys come with the cash box. Serves its purpose well at a low cost. Small handle on top for carrying. Keys for multiple boxes will not be keyed the same. Cons: lid does not latch completely unless it is locked and could come open in transport. Bottom line: an inexpensive little cash box that serves as an efficient way to organize smaller amounts of money. At number 1. STEELMASTER, extra large cash box with handles. Pros: removable tray has space for change and to organize bills efficiently. Model comes in several sizes to meet differing needs. Includes a built-in keyed lock and comes with 2 keys. Rounded corners for safety. Cons: this model does not have any way to hold the coins or bills secure if it gets knocked on its side. Bottom line: easy to open cash box that works well for meetings and sales, an efficient way to keep money organized. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.